Hey backpackers, Dan Becker here. I got the camp all set up for the night here with the Rainfly Evolution budget tarp. It's a 10 by 12 tarp that I got on Amazon. Soon to come on rainflyevolution.com. Hey Molly, we found a trail just like the SHT, except for this one is the no trail, not a trail. Hello YouTube. We are coming at you from an undisclosed location this weekend because the focus is Happy Halloween. Halloween trip, doing some backpacking in what county?
Potawatomi. I can't remember the last one.
Potawatomi?
Potawatomi.
Anyway, if you want to know where we're at, just leave a comment and we'll tell you. But off on another little weekend adventure before it gets way too cold. It's gonna be in the low 30s tomorrow night, low 40s tonight, so it should be doable. But we are hiking back to a backcountry site at this location, and there should be some pretty cool ridge hikes and awesome views to show you, so stay tuned. Well, since we're roasting YouTubers Jeremiah Stringer, Whitney doesn't know who you are.
I'm sorry.
Hi, hikers! I can't do southern accent. What's up, hikers?
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. For days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
So we have to roast Adventure Archives because we wouldn't be here today without them. However, Whitney will be Brian, so you just be quiet.
I really like Brian.
Yeah, we love Brian. We can't roast Adventure Archives.
No, you can't.
You guys are just too damn nice.
Yeah.
Snake. Murder Hornet. I'm Darwin on the trail, and I'm super intellectual. Yeah, So we're having supper. We are having potato cheddar soup. What's your out of 5 stars?
Now it's like 4.5, but it's mostly because it's really delicious.
Oh, that's pretty good. 4.5. I think it's okay, like a 3, but I hate most things. We're also having some old Wisconsin twisted snack sticks. Got to throw a shout out to my buddy Kevin, because every time I have any type of meat stick, I always think of him. And he and I are going to go down to Arkansas in a couple of weeks, so hopefully he can bring some wild boar sticks or something, whatever they eat down there, armadillo, perhaps. But yeah, we're going to dig into supper, and then we're going to watch a little sunset from this spectacular ridge campsite. Hi, I'm Kyle from Kyle Hates Hiking, and this is my girlfriend that I don't actually have. I like to say fuck a lot and try to appeal to hipsters. Trail end. Shine on so we can prove that we got to a trail end. Trail end. I'm gonna trespass a little bit. Oh yeah, backpacking tip from Whitney. Pick up a one of those things that's for your back pain. Thermal heat wrap.
Just open it and it heats up.
Just open it and it heats up.
16 hours.
16 hours of heat. That's a lot of heat.
Hey, I'm Dan Becker and I like gear.
And I'm John Kelly. And if we had a rating, it'd be PG. So folks, interesting fun fact or part of this trip is that we are in the middle of the wilderness by ourselves on a huge ridge staring out at Omaha, Nebraska, which is what you're looking at here. But I assure you, we are by no means near civilization right now. And if you can see the headlights down there, that is actually Interstate 29. So, Dunkin' Donuts.